Kambal_Dworld. Today we're going to do 3 experiments like last time. Like last time you did experiments. The name is Milk Magic. Let's begin. We need a plate, milk, of course, Q-tips, gun, dishwash soap, dish soap, and some food coloring. First, you pour the milk. And look. Okay. So you're putting a little bit of milk. It's just disappearing. I can also. I cannot even see the draw now, and you used almost all of the. You're using milk. Drawings at all. Oh my god, it's getting swallowed. I cannot even see the face anymore. Next, we need some food coloring. I'm gonna use for. Okay, we're gonna put this. You're gonna dip it into the dish soap now. That's on one. Yeah. Yo! Yo! Wow! Wow! And to do the other side. Let's see. I have to do a separate one. It looks so cool. Yeah. Can I mix it? Everything? Like abstract. This is what happens when the fat of the milk reacts with the dish soap. Look. Here's our second experiment. Yeah, I like it. Dry or wet? We need water, a bowl. We're gonna fill that with water, and some cocoa powder. Let's begin. So, firstly, pour the water. Yes. First, before the water. I want to do it. I don't pour too much. So exciting. My lamp is getting wet. Yeah, I hope it doesn't spill. What you got? The next step. Get a spoon of cocoa powder. That's not really a spoon at all. Now you gotta put the I'm waiting. And then dip it into the water. Put it into the water. That's step 3. Yeah. Dry. It's dry. Yeah, it's a little wet. Now we gonna put it into water. Pour it now. Definitely not absorbing. And can we pour it now? Yeah. Now it's time to pour it. Now I'm gonna stick the finger. It's dry. It's a little wet but dry. Yeah, it's dry, but a little wet. Oh look, my hand is dry. Well, wet though. Look. You think this is magic, but it's not. There, yeah. But this happens because it repels the water. It's hydrophobic. Yeah, very hydrophobic. It's a little wet. not fully hydrophobic. Yeah, definitely need to wipe our hands after this. Our final experiment for today is dancing rice. I know what this is. So we need a container, rice, baking powder, vinegar, and things to mix. Something to store. Yes. Yeah. We also need water. Yeah, that's how you store. Yes. Another word for mix is agitator. Okay, let's begin. First, we put the water. Oh my God, this is heavy. This is such a small opening. That's not. Stop it, Sonny. It kind of sounds like music. Second, we put the baking powder, and then we'll put it to dilute. So just do it now. I just don't like it. Now let's do it. Do it, really. Don't even have much. Kind of looks like regular water still. Now I'm just smashing it. Now we put the rice in. Now this is half tablespoon, 2 half. Oh my God! It's all 3 of this. Now put the vinegar inside. I'm gonna do it so slowly. Wait. Hi. Look! Our rice is dancing. Dancing rice. Also, the experiment for today. Talking. Dancing rice, ma'am. In today's experiment video, everything's success. So, yay! Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Thanks for watching!